Hi friends, I'm Shelby if you don't know me already, and this is my class called Diffusing All Day. I am so glad that you have joined us, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about what tonight's going to be like. So we're going to talk about this, your diffuser, what they can do for you, and why you can use it more times a day than just to put it on at night when you sleep and to blow through your lavender and use nothing else, right? That's typically what most of us do. If you've gotten your premium starter kit through Young Living, it can be really exciting at first. You've done all your research. You might have seen some friends posting about your oils, hopefully me or whoever invited you to this class. They've shared with you. You got super excited. You got your premium starter kit from Young Living, and you got it, you opened the box, and you were like, wow, what do I do with all of this again? Like, I remember them saying, I can do so many things with this, but I just don't know, and I'm so busy. But I know I can use lavender, because everybody associates lavender with sleep, so you put this bad boy on, you blow through your lavender, and once you hit the bottom of that bottle, the rest of your kit might just sit there and you don't know what to do with it. Or maybe you didn't even get that far. And so I would love to share with you today a whole bunch of reasons and ways that you can diffuse throughout your day, different things you can diffuse for different situations and how they can benefit you all day long. If you don't have essential oils yet and you're just trying to learn about them, I will be telling you about that as well, how diffusing works, why it works, and you can feel free to ask questions at any time. But without further ado, I think we're going to get started. So what you can expect tonight, we'll have this post at the beginning that is a video, and then we'll have some posts in the middle with some pictures and just text that you can read and follow along. The first couple are a little bit longer, so there'll be about 5 minutes in between those posts. Then the other ones are a little bit shorter. There'll be about 3 minutes between the posts. Make sure you have liked and are following this page and have notifications turned on so you don't miss them, because once they're posted, Facebook does this weird thing with how they organize them. They're not just going to stay in order. And so I have them labeled, and you can always search the hashtag diffusing all day if you need to find other posts. But if you have your notifications turned on, you'll be sure not to miss any. And other fun thing is that I am going to do a giveaway in this class, because these are so much more fun when you interact with me and with other people that are in the class. Every time you comment, you get entered into my drawing to win a custom roller bottle of oils. And if you win, I will message you and be like, hey, what kind of thing would you want essential oils to help you with? Do you get headaches a lot? Do you want something to make you relax? Do you want something to help make you focus? And I will use the oils that I have. I'll make you a mini roller bottle sample and I'll mail it to you. So look for the questions and the engaging posts, and of course, as always, post any questions that you have. And at the end, I'm going to go live and do a live video to answer any questions that anybody still has, and to give you that final reminder about the giveaway. And then at that post, I will comment afterwards. I'm a math teacher. Don't worry, I'm going to use a random number generator to choose my winner. And I will post that there and then message you about getting your free sample of a roller bottle. So without further ado, let's get into diffusing all day.